Hillclimb XLR, brought to you by Under Pressure Performance. Piloted by Ben Council, we will be following Ben throughout his journey to the 99th running Pikes Peak International Hill Climb. Sponsored by Cage Kids, Haltech, AC Motorsports Fab, Heart of Gold Tattoo, Top Notch Home Team, SL Performance Engines, Drift Factory, Pikes Peak International Raceway, Inertia Labs, and last but not least, Mod Finishes. Now let's dive right in. Salt Lake City, Utah, 10 a.m. With the XLR mostly stripped of interior, the team starts working to strip the chassis even further. Rob will be 3D scanning the entire interior of the car in order to digitally design the tightest fitting cage possible. The team will continue into the night. After the 3D scan was completed, they closed up shop, headed inside, and designed the cage using CAD software. Following a long night's work, the team is up early to fabricate the base plates and to cut and bend the cage tubes. With all the materials cut and bent, it's time to weld the cage into the car. On the next episode, we will be interviewing Ben along with the rest of the Hill Climb XLR crew. Stay tuned.